What are we ready for?
Open the cell box.
It's the June box! Yay! And, cover my address up, it says live plants. Open immediately. I'm so excited. What kind of plants do you think it is?
I don't know.
Do you think it's a rose bush? Do you think a rose bush would fit in here?
No.
Oh, let's see. Open the box. We have to be careful. We don't know what's in here. Pop it open. Okay. In your June box, live sweet potato plant. Noah. Man, we love sweet potatoes. A little bit of butter, brown sugar, right? Or if you're really daring, marshmallows. Okay, so it says, in your June box, live sweet potato plants, a pot with soil, directions on planting the sweet potatoes, pumpkin seeds, get out. Noah, pumpkins. It's the great pumpkin, Charlie Brown. And we're going to make, jack-o'-lantern. We can make our little Halloween pumpkin out of our own backyard. Okay, Indian corn. Oh, I don't know if we can do corn. And then locally handmade soap. Too cool. And then it says fun Indian corn craft ideas. Oh, that's exciting. And then the 2018 Ag and Art Tour schedule. We've been doing that, and the videos are up on our YouTube channel. Super cool tour. Twine and a really cheesy magnifying glass. And then they give their website, salslocalseed.com. Do yourself a favor. Go to Sal's. They ship these, by the way. I don't know if you know that. You don't have to be in Columbia to get this. You can have it delivered. And get Happy Meal each month. Okay, so it says stop. What does that mean? Stop. Live plants. Please use potting soil and small pot to quickly plant your sweet potato plants in until you get a place ready. Water well, then follow directions on how to plant outside. I love that she gives you the directions. Like, this is idiot proof. It's easy. So easy. I'm excited. Oh my goodness, look. It's hiding in there. Look at my little sweet potato plant. Aww. Oh, we gotta take him out easy. Look at this guy. Aww.
What is this?
You will make us lots of yummy sweet potatoes. Let's see. What is that? It says, I think that's the twine, Noah. Oh, let's wait. Let's see. Okay, we have, these are our pumpkin seeds. Yay. And these are the Indian corn seeds. And then, let's see, that's just a napkin. Twine. Tie up them tomatoes. Our tomatoes are turning red. Like, super excited. How cute is that? Look. And what does it say? A magnifying glass to read small writing and look for bugs on your plants. We've already been pulling off hornworms. That's what a friend called them, hornworms. Nasty looking little nasty looking little buggers.
That Bible is small.
Right? Okay, so we have our magnifying glass. That's what the smell is. I wonder what the smell was. Oh my goodness. I am excited about this. Handmade soap. Locally handmade soap. That is really cool. So, that is from Copper Tree Farm, Danita Bailey. So, I have actually seen her Facebook page and have been drooling over the soap. So, this is right up my alley. Excited. And then, hold on. The schedule for the Ag and Art Tour The ones for this weekend is Fairfield County. Lots of good ones on that list. And not far outside of the Columbia area. Drive half an hour. You'll meet so many cool people. Okay, then it says, use Indian corn in your fall decor. Show us how you used yours. Table centerpieces, wall or door hanging, or wreaths. Super exciting. Look, I got really excited last month because they did a cute little card. They did another one. We're preparing for fall. Fall is the best. So this is talking about sweet potatoes. And it even tells you when they're supposed to harvest, because I don't know what we're doing. So I'm stoked about the sweet potatoes. So that was June. That was our June Happy Mail from Sal's Feed and Seed. So I just truly think you will love the boxes. Go to salslocalseed.com and order. They only have a certain amount each month. And I think last month they may have sold out or come close to selling out. So don't miss your box. You'll regret it. Right, Noah?
Yes.